I started my own retirement consulting business. And mainly because I had these two amazing children and I was not being a very good mother. So it was this dealing with this conflict of trying to do the corporate America thing and be a good mom. There's so much we don't know. There's so much misunderstanding. And you're right, people just sort of would rather avoid it and hope it magically happens at the end. There are mistakes we can all make along the way. And if I can help you avoid a few of them, it really will position you so much better for your late 50s and your 60s so that you don't have to really think about it now.
I joke though, I probably will never retire because I just genuinely like helping people and working, and I'm in a long line of entrepreneur people, and I love that you want to give advice about, some things that we could do, because so oftentimes, like even me, who has great information in the financial space, right? Just different avenues that I've done and different things, and I am very well educated in the financial space, but even I could use some tips and tricks about like, how do we frame this up? Like, what should we be thinking about? What kind of awareness, like, should we be being brought to, right? To like get ourselves in that kind of a position. Because I talk all the time on the podcast about intentionality. The more intentional you can be, the better off you can be.